If you're experiencing issues with the subscription sync feature on COM, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent the app from syncing your subscription properly. Step 2. Update the app. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Restart the app. Close the COM app completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the app and may resolve any temporary glitches affecting the subscription sync. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Navigate to the settings within the COM app and log out of your account. After logging out, log back in to see if the subscription sync issue has been resolved. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to COM's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the subscription sync issue on COM. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from support.